Yo, what's up everybody? So today I have some upgrades for the KLX. So right about here, I have the cheapest set of $30 plastics I could find online. They were like 28 and change. The reason why I'm switching them out is because these plastics are pretty beat, as well as I have a white truck, so it looks cooler to have a white bike and a white truck. But you can see, I mean, these are pretty beat as it is. So we're going to switch this out. I think that'll look pretty cool with the green on the seat as well. And I also have some new grips for it today that are right there. I love me some pillow tops, but these things are whooped. So, let's play a game of unwrapping plastics. Satisfied? Maybe I should just be an ASMR channel. Oh, I did forget to mention, this bike does have a couple upgrades. It has a DNM rear shock, BBR HD fork springs. It's got a 143 kit, a manual hydraulic clutch kit, a couple other additions like the FMF pipe. These kits right here, the ones that you buy online, are the biggest lifesaver ever when you're doing this stuff, because I have like 4 bolts missing on my plastic setup, and usually I'm too lazy to replace them, but like I have a bunch of lock nuts in there and stuff. And, of course, the bolts that I need to replace them. All right, let's get to putting some stuff on. Yeah. I'm sure you guys don't care much to watch the same thing that I just did again. So I'm going to skip that and go to the front and the grips. So it seems as if they decided a bolt this long wouldn't do the job. So they doubled the length in here. Now again, little bolt kit came in handy, but one of my major complaints about Chinese trash plastics. Doesn't look great, but I mean, it works, I guess. Definitely would not be my first pick. All right, let's get this seat on. So you're gonna need 3 things to do your new grips. You're gonna need a razor blade, you're gonna need some spray paint, and you're gonna need your new grips, of course. So you're gonna take your razor blade, slice right down the middle of your old grip and peel it off. Then you're gonna put your spray paint inside your new grip, slide it on. Pretty simple. Also, don't forget to take note that one is marked R, one is marked L, one's going to be a little bigger and one's going to be a little smaller. The one that's bigger, this one right here, goes on your throttle side. So with that out of the way, let's get these off and these on. Alrighty, y'all, so here we are. Just finished up with this. I touched up that side case a little bit so it looks a little bit prettier now. It's less scuffed up from my boot. I also fixed this bracket that wasn't attached before. It was bent in from one of the very many falls that this bike has had. What else did I do? Of course, the plastics and the grips. And I fixed a couple other little things that I had hacked together before, but decided to fix the right way this time around. I think it looks better with the white, at least until the first time that it gets dirty, it'll look better with the white. And we'll see how well this lasts. We'll take a quick rip with the new white plastics. Just got off my Harley and it honestly, I don't feel right. Oh, can we jump it? No. I went from a bike that weighs over 700 pounds to a bike that barely weighs 100 and, I don't know, probably 140. No, less than that, like 120. got to put the front of the seat in. The little doohickey thing there. So it's bouncing around. That's bad on my part. Wow, apparently I don't know how to wheelie. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Jump this thing again. Circles. Wow, that bumps are Hello, Mr. Financial Distress. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll link it in the top corner right now. So that was today's Tuesday afternoon activities. I have the Challenger up there. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a video on it yet. I also have the Vet up there, which is going to get a 390 rear end kit, as well as headers and a tune here soon because I let the Firebird go today. Good news. And that means more money to play around with on the Vet. So before this outro gets too long, say bye to Bobby, say bye to the bike, and say bye to me. Let's see if I can get a one-handed wheelie going on here.